Hi guys, it's Anne here again, and here is another episode of Very Unusual. So in this video, I'll be sharing my thoughts about a moisturizer. It's a Japanese brand, so better keep on watching. Alright, so for those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. New videos every Saturday as much as I can, and click that bell button so you'll be notified. At the same time, if you're on Instagram, please do follow me at Very Unusual. You could send me messages for quick inquiries and I'll get back to you the soonest possible. Okay, so let's get started. The product I'm talking to you about is this. It's from a Japanese company once again, and it's called Hatomugi Skin Conditioning Gel. So why did I get my hands on this product? First, I've been in search really of a good moisturizer that would complement my skin and my other skincare product, which is a toner lotion, and it's called Kiku Masamune. I reviewed that product already. If you haven't seen that video yet, please do check the link down below. Now, okay. This product has the same ingredient as my previous toner lotion, which is the coix job steers, something like that. So that's why I settled for this one, because I think that Japanese brands suit my skin really well. I've had good experience, plus I've got good experience for the most part, at least, plus the fact that it has that ingredient, and I used to like that toner too, though I like the Kiku Masamune better this time. This product has quite good reviews on Amazon, and it's because of the consistency. It's good for those who have oily to combination skin, so that's the best part of it. Plus, in my country, Philippines, it's kind of humid, so I thought that consistency would work well as I maintain my skincare routine at night. Now, before I get into my reviews about this product, I'll talk about the importance of moisturizer first. I've told you a million times that really moisturizer is something that we should not skip from our skincare routine at night, at least. Though in some cases, especially if you live in a country where it's really cold, then you need an ample moisturizing with you, then you could do it in the morning too. So it's like this. Moisturizer would really keep your skin conditioned, moisturized, hydrated, because lack of hydration could lead to a lot of skin problems, skin aging, acne, and we don't like that, right? So going back to moisturization, that's very important, especially if you think that you want to start your skincare. This is my tip for you. If you think that you would like to start maintaining a skincare routine at night and in the morning, and it's okay not to follow the 7 steps of skincare, something like that. Because you know what, when I turned 30, that's when I realized, oh no, I have to invest on my skin. I have to moisturize it. I have to do something about it, something like that, before I regret it. I'm not sure though if that's late or it's the right age, but yeah, that's when I realized that I should get into skincare products. So then I tried a lot of products. I completed my 7 steps of skincare routine at night, because I was engrossed with all of this Korean brands and other skincare that I watched on YouTube that time. So what happened then was that my skin had yet to adjust properly with one product, and yet I tried a lot of products already to complete that 7 steps. So my skin broke out, really broke out. That's when I had my acne nightmare. So if I were you, if you are about to start, think of it first, and it's better to start one step at a time. Wait for your skin to adjust first before getting all of these products, or else you'll just be wasting money. To me, that what happened. Because sometimes products have this, complement. They complement each other. There are some products that complement with another one, and with the other one it doesn't. So it's best for you to experience the effects of one product first before adding more moisture or hydration to your face, to your skin. Okay, so to me, the best way to start your skincare routine is to moisturize, and of course eye cream. So you could just do these two things at night for your skincare. Keep it simple, especially if you live in a humid country like me. And of course in the morning, don't forget your sunscreen. These are the basic, guys. And cleansing, of course, double cleansing. That's just my advice, okay? That's a lesson learned for me. So it's best to really start with this moisturizer. And if you're lucky enough it works, you'll see how magical it is, especially in the long run. With me, I moisturize every night. Sometimes, even in the morning, I do, especially if I feel like my skin calls for it, or I want to blend my makeup easily, especially if I feel like my skin is drying, something like that, you'd know, okay? And going back to this one about my pros and cons, I thought it's really affordable. It's just around 12 bucks, but it's a lot of product. It's a big tub, and it's for 180 grams. I'm sorry, but I'm not able to give you some of its ingredients because everything is in Japanese. But yeah, its main ingredient is the coix job steers. And basically you can find them too on Amazon. I'll show you the link down below. Also, I'm not sure when will it expire, but it has something like this here. But yeah, basically 12 months after opening. That's the rule on skincare products. When it comes to affordability, it will suit your budget. It won't break your bank. Another thing, it's also multifunctional, so you could use it on some of your dry patches too. And I also love the consistency, just like what I told you a while ago. Look at it. It's runny. It's a gel type of product. I hope you could see clearly. Okay, so meaning it absorbs really fast. It's quick and it goes a long way. So sometimes we think that if it's a gel type, it'll take a lot of product just to cover our face, but with this one, it goes a long way. You don't need much. Now, you don't need much, but for my cons, I didn't experience much. I'm so sorry to disappoint you, but yeah. Or should I say, I didn't experience nothing at all. I don't know. When I wake up in the morning, I can't see any brightening effect or moisturizing effect. I still feel that my skin is just the same texture as it is. I'm expecting something like, being it supple or soft, smooth. But yes, it's still the same texture that I get whenever I use my Kikumasamune. I should know because I stopped other skincare products just to give way for this one and give it a thorough review. But yes, I'm so sorry guys. I have not seen any drastic results or effects from this product. So to me, I might just use it on my dry patches on my skin, but yeah, I stopped using it on my face already, and actually I already jumped into another moisturizer. At least it didn't break me out. That's another thing I like about it. Okay, so if I am to rate this product, I'll be giving it 5 out of 10, and I won't repurchase it, sadly. So that's it for this one. If you find this video useful, once again, please don't forget to give it some love, and I'll see you again next week. Happy weekend! Bye to you all!